Welcome to Author Mastery's 5 short books you can read in a day to expand and enhance your experience of chiropractic. And I'm going to start with one of our all-time favourite chiropractors of our profession, Dr. Demartini, From Stress to Success. Look, this is a simple, easy book, less than 120 pages in small print, that is going to give you an understanding of his timeless principles of your thought processes, your actions to engender success, to create greater impact in your practice and in your life, to feel more confident, more competent. And the beautiful thing about not only Demartini's writings is they're succinct, they're powerful, they're applicable. And if you sit down and read a small book like this in a day, it's going to change your world, it's going to change your life. And there are so many chiropractic authors and so many chiropractic books that are exactly like this. I want you to start reading them, and I've got, at the end of this series, a really great thought for you. So stick with me as I go through these next 5 books and share a special bonus video at the end.